This Remax Equity Group property video is presented by Deines. Beautifully restored and updated, this charming mid-century is ready to move into .Nicely landscaped yard with large covered patio.Spacious living room west/fireplace.Gleaming refinished hardwood floors on main.Updated kitchen west/new flooring, counters, glass tile backsplash.Finished bsmt features family room second fireplace, 2 legal egress bdrms, fully updated second bath.Updated electrical service.New paint throughout. For more information, review the details below or contact Deines at 971-207-0492.